Number 11. Which of the following is considered a primary responsibility of a public official under RA 6713? Is it letter A, promote private businesses, uphold public interest over personal interest, letter C, maintain political influence, or letter D, accumulate wealth through office? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So ngayon, dito sa RA 6713, which is the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Official and Employees, meron tayong 8 norms. So yung 8 norms na yon, yun po ay mga katangian ng isang public servant na dapat niyang patuloy na sundin habang siya po ay nanunungkulan. Ano po? So, isa doon, or yung pinakapangunahin doon, is that they should always put the public interest first before themselves. So, laging uunahin yung mga citizens bago sila. Kaya nga sila public servant. Halimbawa, si public school teacher ay nagtuturo sa klase habang lumindol. Sa paglindol, nag-duck cover and hold. So, ang unang-unang dapat gawin ni teacher bilang public servant ay siguraduhin na yung kanyang mga estudyante ay ligtas na makakalabas ng vicinity bago ang kanyang sarili. Ano po, hindi siya yung mauuna pang tumakas after nung lindol. So they put the public interest first before themselves. Okay?